What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be going over VeChain and my future outcome for it. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Sergio here with Serge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, and I talk a lot about crypto. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I release a new video like this. So you may be asking yourself, what is different about VeChain from other cryptocurrencies? Well, in this video, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be diving in and dissecting VeChain for you. So let's jump right into my computer here. All right, so let's jump into CoinMarketCap here and check out VeChain and how well it's performing currently. So it is at number 19, a $4.9 billion market cap, as the price has increased recently substantially. It's at almost at 8 cents right now, 0.077 cents. And in this bullish cycle, it's definitely expected to go a lot higher, and most likely up to 9 cents in the short term, in my opinion. All right, so let's go over the main details here about VeChain. So what is VeChain? It's a blockchain platform, just like all the other cryptocurrencies. But VeChain is mainly designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes. And VeChain states that its goal is to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem platform to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfers. And also, the VeChain platform claims to provide a 360-degree view of necessary information linked to a product and its business processes, such as storage, transportation, and supply, to authorize stakeholders and create greater market transparency. So VeChain also plans to become a leading platform for ICOs, initial coin offering, also with decentralized apps known as dApps, and also for conducting transactions between Internet of Things connected devices. VeChain has two different tokens, VETs, which is its value layer token, and VTHO, which are its smart contract layer tokens. So as you can see here, VET is the VeChain token that is used to carry value or smart money from smart contracts. In other words, transactions on decentralized applications occurring on VeChain's blockchain will use VET, and it is available for investing by the general public. So this is, the token that us investors buy and trade is VET. And then the VTHO token stands for VeChain Thor Energy. It's also known as VThor Energy, and it's used to power transactions on VeChain and is equal to the cost of conducting transactions on its blockchain. So the VTHO token is going to be more or less equal to the gas fees for the transactions. So the concept is similar to that of Ethereum's Ether, in that a developer needs to budget for a certain number of underlying tokens which are not exposed to the public in order to conduct transactions for their decentralized applications. The main difference here is that, as you can see here, in its current form, Ethereum lacks such a model because the price of Ether, its native gas token, and its volatility. As such, developers have to estimate the amount of Ether required for a transaction. The transaction fails if their estimate turns out to be incorrect. So VeChain's white paper outlines several technical enhancements that its platform has made to overcome this problem. So this is where VeChain excels here over Ethereum. But just like Ethereum in its current form and Bitcoin and other cryptos, VeChain does use proof of work validation process for its transactions. And this means that people conducting a transaction can mine more VTHO if their initial estimate was wrong. So VeChain uses proof of work similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos at the moment right now. VeChain also uses proof of authority, and this is their governance protocol. So per this protocol, votes are dispersed based on VET holdings and disclosure. VET holders without know your customer credentials and with 1 million tokens in their account are assigned 20% of all votes, while VET holders with KYC and the same amount in their accounts are responsible for 30%. Let's see, so it says there are 101 master nodes responsible for reaching consensus on transactions in VeChain's blockchain. This system is different from Bitcoin, which requires all nodes to vote on a transaction before reaching consensus. So only 101 nodes required for the validation process for each block being added to the blockchain. So VeChain is going to offer dApps, which are decentralized apps for developers, proof of authority for effective governance. And another very important thing is that VeChain also has already established many different partnerships with large companies. And as you can see, we have a complete list right here of VeChain partnerships. Some of those huge partnerships being BMW Group, H&M, which is a huge clothing retailer, Walmart China, and many other huge companies here in this list. You can check them all out. I'll link this list down below as well, so you can check it out if you want to read through it. All right, so let's jump into the charts here and check out how VeChain is performing. Let's check out the 4-hour chart. So yeah, as you can see, we are definitely in a bull market, in a bull cycle. It is just having corrections along the way, pretty big correction here, but it is definitely moving up. Looks like we're meeting some resistance up here at the 8-cent level, about where we're at right now. We're actually at 0.78 cents. So yeah, after reaching that 8-cent level, we had a correction here. We're gonna have some resistance here, but my opinion is that we're gonna break above this resistant line right here, and we should definitely make it up to the next level. All right, so let's take a look at the chart here. So in my opinion, we are seeing a huge correction here. We are meeting resistance up here at the 2 level here on the Fibonacci tool chart. But my opinion is we should definitely reach the 2.272. That is about 9 cents, I believe. So, you know, we're going to have some resistance here in a correction, but I believe we should be up to 9 cents in the short term pretty soon. And then we may see another huge correction. All right, so here in Coin Market Calendar, as you can see, we have just one event showing up here, and this is for June 30th. Which is going to be a pretty big event for the VeChain blockchain. So Sync 2 and Connex 2 Beta. June 30, 2021. So we should definitely see a nice price increase around the end of June for this date. So as long as we are still in a bull market uptrend, we should definitely see a lot more profits from now until June. That's a 3-month period. So let me know in the comments down below if you are invested into VeChain or if you're planning to. And that's all I got for you guys in this video. So go ahead and smash that like button. Get this video out to more people, because it really helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. And that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.